day. Hello Toca Bunny, it's me Lily and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So actually, you can see it was really sunny outside. Yeah, it's summer already and it's hot like the oven. I don't like that. So my family just planning to go to the beach this week, and I think the trip is going to start today, so I made the video. Hope you guys enjoy these. Let me see, what time is it? Well, now it's only 6 in the morning. It's really early. So now I'm going to help the whole family packing and prepare for the trip. Okay. Let's go. Let's get these. So I'm back with the suitcase. So this is my dad's and Johnny's. Oh no, Johnny will have another bag. And this is me and Mom, as always. So now I'm going to pack my Mom's and me. She was busy, so I help her. I'm going to get her clothes then. Get these. Oh no, sorry. Hey. These. We're going to stay that for 2 days, I guess. Yes, 2 days. Yes, next is me. I'm going to pack my hoodie. And a dress. Maybe a lot of dress. And also I'm going to pack in. Okay. Oh, and get some of these. Okay, so now I'm going to call Daddy up to pack him. Daddy, wake up! Wake up, it's really late! Good morning, Lily. Have you pie? I did. Are you still asleep? Well, this is your suitcase. Thank you. Well, now I'm going to pack these and these. Maybe I'll just put all of them in. Yeah. Seriously, Daddy? Of course. We're just staying there for only 2 days, but you pack a lot. Yeah, of course. Oh, and my phone as well. Yeah, you see, I'm going back to sleep. Oh, this dad. Why, never mind. So now I'm going to pack Johnny's, I really don't like him because, it's really annoying, but I still have to. It's like an accident. Okay, I'm back. So now I'm going to pack for Johnny. Okay, you see, it's really perfect. It was really easy. So I think. Oh, right. I forgot. I'm going to put the camera in here, just in case. I'm going to take some beautiful photos then. Johnny, hold your bag. As you can see, Johnny bags have in the last episodes, but never mind. So actually, this is the second time that we go to the beach. The first time is in the in the last episode. I just make it. Never mind, you're going to see my mum. Mummy, I finished packing for the whole family. Really? You were a really good girl? Yes. Have you prepared anything? Yes, I just did. I think I'm going to wear these. And my, and sunglasses as well. Whoa, you look really awesome. Actually, I want these. Oh, how about these? It's nice too. I think I'm good to get them all. Don't you see that it was a little weird? No. Well, I guess. Call your daddy. Where is he? He's still asleep. Oh no, let me call him. Mark, wake up. The bus is here. It's waiting for us. I'm really exhausted. Well, you don't want to go? I do. I should get my phone. The wallet as well. Daddy, help me. Okay, let's go then. Okay, take a look each. Yay, let's go. Oh yeah, I have my purse as well. Get the door key. Come on. We're here. So today's trip was really far away, so we need to go by train and also by plane. Really? That was really interesting. Yes. You know, I know that you guys are really excited because this was your first time going on a plane. Yay. Does that mean that I can see all the birds? Of course, Johnny. Yay. I'm so excited. I can't wait. Let me see, someone just called me. Never mind. Finally, after 3 hours on the taxi. Yay! Wait, this is the airport? Of course, Lily. It was really huge. I'm so excited. Okay. Let's go to the checkout. Or maybe check-in. I'm sorry. We have to wait for a line. Never mind. The next. You can go. Thank you. Okay, you as well. Okay. Are you the next? I am. Where's your ticket? You go alone? No, with my 3 others family member. Okay. Where's the passport? Mark, where's the passport? Oh, you forgot? No, I didn't. Here's the passport. Thank you so much. I thought you just forgot. Okay, good. You can go. Let's go, guys. Wait. Yeah, let's put a luggage here. Oh no, it's too crowded, I guess. Okay, let's wait a little bit. Okay, let's get them back. Let's go. Next. Let's go. What's your name? Oh, it's Mark Ryder. And your wife? Oh, it's Lauren B. And me is Lily Ryder. Good. Now I need to scan your luggage. Put them all down here. Okay. Yay! The next luggage. That's really good. Okay, we found nothing dangerous. You guys can take the luggage. So now put all of your luggage and suitcases here. So now you come here and scan your body. You first. Okay. Okay, you good. Yay, I know that. Next. Well done. Come here, Lily. Come here, Johnny. Okay, finally. Really exhausted. Let's continue going. Let's sit here and wait. Okay, let's go. We need to check the passport. Her wires again. Good. Let's go in the plane. Yay. Daddy, Mummy, why is this like it is not much people on the plane? Well, I don't know, just sit here. Oh, you wait, put the luggage there. Let's sit here. I'm going to sit with you while Johnny and me will sit together. Attention, the plane is almost take off. Really cute and really excited. Does anyone want some drinks? Hi, Ju. I want some milk, please. Your milk coming right up. This is your milk. Thanks a lot. What do you want? I just want some mineral water. Mineral water. Okay. Here. Thanks a lot. What do you guys want? I want Coca-Cola. Okay, a Diet Coke. Here. Thank you. What do you like? I like to have a taco. Oh no, sorry, like burrito, I guess. Here you go. Thanks. Two hours later. Okay, so I just want to tell you that. Okay. Let's go. We are here. Okay. Well, finally here after like 30 or 40 minutes waiting. Look, Mummy, a really beautiful flower. Is it tulips? No, it's not. It's some kind of flowers. It's really beautiful. I definitely want to take these. Okay, let's go. Let's sunbathe, everyone. Ice cream. Okay, let's put our lucky chair then. Ice cream here. Oh, ice cream. That was really good. Oh no, sorry. Let's buy some ice cream. Wow, the ice cream was really good. Daddy, let's go sunbathe. Oh no. Let's go. Okay. I want to build a sandcastle. Who are you? Hi, I am Johnny. Where you hide? I like playing hide and seek. Boo. That is fun. What's your name? I'm Aaron. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. You made a really beautiful castle. Thank you. Oh, just look at them. They're really cute. Yeah. I don't really want to sunbathe. Just sit here and watch the view. I'm gonna sit here. The air was really fresh, but why is this feeling burning? Oh no, I forgot. What? No way. The sunscreen. Mummy, you forgot the sunscreen? Yes. No. Does that mean that our skin will be burning? I'm so sorry, I forgot. I'm going to find somewhere to hide. I'm just... My God. Oh no, I forgot. My skin will be black. I'm going to stay here. What's happening? I forgot my sunscreen. Oh yeah, what a woman. Sorry. Wow, look at that man swimming over there. Really good. Yeah, I submit. Oh my gosh. No way. Oh my gosh. It was really burning. No. Just hide here as well. Why did you come here? Again, I just want to have some personal space. What's happening? Mommy forgot the sunscreen and my skin are burning. Next time won't do that again, Lauren. I'm sorry. Well guys, if you like my video, then remember to like, share and subscribe to get more and more fun videos from next time. See you!